In this video, I want to share why I think that using a grant instead of a down payment assistance loan in this market is crucial. Now, before I dive into that, do me a huge favor, hit the like button on this video, and if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that you can keep up on all mortgage and real estate news. So check this out. For people that are considering down payment assistance, a lot of times there's essentially two options. One is a loan where you're paying that back at some point in time, and the other is a grant, and that grant money is forgiven. Now, depending on the timeline, it varies in terms of when it's forgiven, but let's just say that it's forgiven right away in this circumstance. Now, in this market, we are in a high interest rate environment, and it is almost as certain as the sun coming up that as inflation comes down, so will mortgage rates. And if you're somebody that bought a house using down payment assistance loans versus down payment assistance grants, well, when you go to refinance, you've got to pay off that second mortgage because most of the down payment assistance loans that exist, they don't allow you to resubordinate, which is basically where they agree to allow you to refinance and then they'll just basically take second position on your next loan. No, it doesn't work that way. Normally, even with Cal HFA loans, excluding the Dream for All that ran out in like 2 weeks, you got to pay those back when you refinance. And so let's say that a year from now, rates are 2% lower. And now all of a sudden you want to refinance and take advantage of today's current rates so that you can save on your monthly payment. Well, if you started off with 100% financing or 103% financing or whatever, well, a year from now, you may still be at about 100% or maybe 96 or 97% in terms of where your equity position is. And in order to be eligible to refinance, you're going to need a little bit more equity than that. And so I suggest that if you are going to be using down payment assistance in this current market, to look into using grant programs. We have some awesome grant programs that are available nationwide, well, excluding Washington, but they're available all over the place. And basically the lender will provide you with the 3.5% that you need for your down payment, and it's in the form of a grant. It's free money, it's forgiven, you don't have to pay it back, and then that way, in the future, when rates drop and you want to take advantage of the lower rates, you won't have this second mortgage in the way holding you back from being able to take advantage of lower rates. If you got questions about this, please put them in the comments below. Maybe I'll make a video about it. See you on the next one.